Hello, my name is Elizabeth Barth, and I am one of the registered dietitians with the Massachusetts General Hospital for Children, and today we are going to talk about balanced snacks. So is snacking really okay? So the answer is yes, definitely, highly recommend it. So snacking is really a great way to regulate your hunger to prevent you or kids from feeling too hungry during meals. It also helps to get in essential nutrients like protein, fiber, vitamins, different minerals, and it's really a good idea to pick 2 to 3 times in the day to eat a snack. So what should be in my snack? So to eat a balanced snack, you should have it include a carbohydrate, a protein, and fat. The carbs help to give energy, so try to eat 1 or 2 that are high in fiber, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. The protein also helps with growing and repairing muscles in other parts of the body. And then the fats will help to absorb some vitamins and also help you feel full. So try to use fats more though from the unsaturated fats, mainly from plants, like nuts, like seeds, for example. So here we have some examples of balanced snacks. You can see there are the carbohydrates, which could be your fruit, your vegetable, or whole grain. And then we have our fat and our protein sources. So you can see carrots and hummus, guacamole, bell pepper slices, strawberries with some yogurt, even with full fat is okay, popcorn and string cheese, banana and some nuts like cashews, apple and peanut butter. We have half an avocado with some whole wheat toast, or even a hard-boiled egg and 5 crackers. So I hope you enjoyed these examples and enjoy snacking.